Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
I mean, the dance floor, yeah, but rubbing up on anybody who wants you.
Why are we on the dance floor?
Rubbing up on someone on the dance floor, I guess that's what you do when you dance. I don't know. But no, not a stranger. That's how you would dance with your significant other.
This guy right there.
All right. Coming up next, Sam Smith.
Just hit a car.
Guess who's coming to town?
And he's trying to
Santa.
go away.
Santa's.
And we're not going to let him.
Squeezed.com juice cleanses. You can make them spicy or regular. Plus, if you order right now before 1 p.m., you get delivered by 8 p.m. Yeah, same day delivery. Go to squeezed.com juice cleanses, all right? That's squeezed.com. Were you fired from your job unjustly? You need to know your rights.
Hey Siri, call 911.
Jerry Law Group for a free That's 800-485-1049.
Hey Siri, call 911.
Champion of employee rights.
Did you know that Morongo Casino Resort and Spa has been voted the best of the Southland by LA Times readers? It has, and here's a few reasons why. On January 17th, you can get an
The other half is like, holy shit, you should always do a string trunk. You guys, it's crazy. Oh, man. Oh, dude. What's BL3? I'm not sure what BL3 is, but dude, what's wrong with you? You're back! You turn as much as I did in 2016. 2016 is really good, but it still has good as doing shit. Oh man, thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, this
I caught it. I so fuck did. Stupid mother. God damn, I'm not going to that damn car.
Hey, don't you know phones are the reason that people die, you dumb fuck? Don't you know that? You fucking idiot? You fucking retard bitch!
You know what you said to me?
It wasn't personal.
Yes, it is. He's making it personal. Yeah.
I'm not. No,
Look
I'm
at me in
not.
the eye like a man. I'm right here.
Hey,
you want to ask me about my license plate, or you want to say you're sorry for hitting my car instead of acting like a dick after you did that? Because that would be very meaningful to me instead of f***ing with me about my license plate.
I spoke to her and I was very calm.
What do you need to do
I'm the
in order
owner
to
of the car. Do you understand me?
What needs to happen in order to conclude this interaction? Do you need information from him?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You're gonna put your hand in my face and then act like act like you need to record that shit. That's what you're gonna do, tough guy?
That's not. You don't have
How
to
fucking dare you, bro? Do you know what this motherfucker just did? He hit my car and then he says, "You don't have a license plate there. You don't have to be a dick. I just fucking worked my ass off for that fucking car."
Which one is your car? Which one is your car?
Fucking here. You fucking idiot, dude. You ungrateful piece of shit. I had to
All right.
break your
How's
fucking jaw, dude.
Where's the possible damage?
Don't
This
worry
is a
about
really
it. I'll
nice
take
car,
care of it.
actually.
Thank you. I'll take care of it. I got it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Oh, fucking God.
All right.
You're paying
Well, I'm
for this
so glad
bumper,
that it's
dude.
not.
Yeah, it's fucking scratched right here. God damn it.
Is it right here? Okay.
True facts got out to the court and others. Nothing seemed to work. Can you give me an explanation as to why, when it came to the exculpatory part of this, nothing seemed to work the way it should?
Senator, I can only rely on the findings I've
There's a truck behind us, you know?
He's doing that to us.
I know.
What, do I dial 911?
You should, definitely. We took a picture of it.
Babe, I'm telling you.
Why is he doing that?
He's doing that to... Stop!
Jesus Christ.
What is he doing?
I don't know. Let's let the car go.
He's doing that to us, no one else.
Yeah, but I need to change the lane, yeah?
Just stay behind him. And don't go fast. Please, don't go fast. Don't go fast. Babe, stop! Don't! You can't.
What is he
What
doing?
is he doing? And he's gonna come.
Of course.
This truck helps us.